All right, so sorry, network was bad. I had to log out, or I had to end the stream and come back. Okay, so now let me try and share the screen again. Let me try and share the screen again. I believe network will be better now because I had to change from one network provider to another one. Can you see my screen now? All right, I believe you can see my screen now. If you can see my screen, type 1 in the comment section. Type 1 in the comment section. It's all over again, okay? Let's start this all over again. If you can see my screen, just type 1 in the comment section. Just say 1. Okay, beautiful. So let's continue. Now, I said let's do it all over. We have done this before. I'm just doing it again. Indicator, trend, moving average, 50 for blue color, and then enter. Then we do the third one. And I was saying that moving average 200 is one of the most powerful moving averages. Even big corporations and banks use moving average 200 EMA or SMA. SMA is simple moving average, just like SMA is when I click this one and I choose simple instead of exponential. EMA, exponential moving average. SMA, simple moving average. So I choose exponential and I click in. Okay, so we have something like this. Then I say, okay, after you already have, so let's do something else. Let's do insert indicator trend. This time around, I'm choosing ADX. This is not showing my screen again. Okay, the screen should be showing now. So let me get back to the screen. I said, okay, after we know this now, all of you know how to do this. So, and I want to add ADX now. ADX is just a complementary indicator. You can use it alone, but this time around, I want you to combine it with exponential moving average, the one you already learned. Or you can do it, you can use it alone by itself. In fact, I used it alone before. So this time around, trend, average directional moving index. You click it, average directional moving index. Average directional moving index. You click on it. And then you have these parameters. Under parameters, your period is 14. Your period is 14. Period is 14. Oh my goodness, this thing is not showing. This is not showing what I'm showing here. So insert indicator trend average directional moving index. Average directional, you click on average directional moving index. Then your period is 14. Your style is black color. Your style is black color. Your plus D1 is green color. Your minus D1 is red color. Then you choose your thickness. You choose your thickness. Then you go to levels. Then you click add. You add level 22, level 22, level 22. Then every other thing remains the same. Then you choose the black color of the level. You choose the color of the level to be black, black. Then you click OK. Then you see something like this. Maybe I should record a video for you guys. Maybe I should record a video. Okay, so but if you can hear me, this is the rule. This is the rule to trading this. Now, and you need to write it down. When the red line, under the ADX now, when the red line crosses level 22 with the black line from down up, buy, sorry, sell. When the red is always sell. Don't forget, red is buy, red is sell. So when the red line crosses the level 22 with the word there is, don't forget the word with the black line from down up, sell, sell, sell. When the green line crosses level 22 with the black line, buy, buy, okay, buy. You know, when the green line crosses the up, buy, okay. So that's what it means. Now, so let's look at it little one after the other. So you will see here now, the green line has crossed level 22. You wait for the black line to cross. Both of them have crossed here now. And this is where the level 22 from down up here is saying we should buy. And if you buy, you'll have been in a little profit from here. Okay, you buy. This is 1 hour. If you take it to, well, 1 hour is okay too. Okay, I'm using 1 hour now. Cross level 22 with the black line from down up, you buy. Okay, so let's see where the red line is crossing level 22. That the green line is crossing level 22. The green line has crossed. You wait for the black line to cross. The black line is crossing here. Okay, it's crossing here now. He said you should buy. You are still buying here now. But what I wanted to use this one is when the moving average is asking you to do something and ADX is asking you to do the same thing. You can see here now. The red line has crossed level 22. You wait for the black line to cross. The moment the black line is putting its mouth and crossing up over level 22 upwards, it's asking you to sell. The red line, when the red line crosses level 22 with the black line from down up, and you can see that on top of the screen also, we are seeing the EMA 10 has crossed 50 EMA from up down when we are saying sell. Okay, you can see that both of them are asking you to sell. This one is saying you to sell, this one is also saying you to sell. And let's see, we're having okay, so 22 from down up in this place now. You're supposed to be buying. You buy here and here, and you see that moving average is also asking you to buy. ADA is also asking you to buy. So you enter your buy, you will have made some profit in that place. Use ADX. Let me show it to you on USD JPY. USD JPY. Look at it here. The green line has crossed level 22 with the black line. From is also asking you to buy. Look at it here. The green line has crossed up with the black line. Here it's asking you to buy. Also here is asking you to buy. Okay, so let's see. Let me look for a sell here. You can see that the red line has crossed level 22 with the black line from down up. From down up here, red line also it always means to sell. And here you can see up here. This is when the red line, the blue line across here the black line from up down. This is when I say double sell, strong sell, sell, sell. This is a sell now. Here it's asking you to, and if you sell like that, you're going to be making profit. You can see again here. Here again, it's asking you to sell. Here again, both of them have crossed level 22 from down up. It's asking you to sell. Here again, this one is asking you to buy a little. Okay, buy. There's a little buy there. Then again, it has crossed level 22 from down up. It's asking you to sell here. It's asking you to sell. When the red line crosses the level 22 with the black line from down up, you sell. And here it's asking you to also sell here. The red has already crossed. You wait for the black to cross with it because it's where the direction of the market goes. So if the black, it is the sell. If the green is crossing with the black, it is the buy. So look at it. How we look at it here now. There's a little buy here now. There's a little buy, the spike to the upside, and then you can see the red line is crossing the level 22 from down up. Here is supposed to take a buy. Supposed to take a buy. So I wanted to go through this, go through it, and then let me look at it also in under crash 1000. Look at this from crash on crash 1000. You can use it on any time frame. Just make sure that whatever time frame you choose, you stick with it. Whatever time frame you are choosing, you're sticking with it. Look at it from here. Okay, so we have the green line that is crossing level 20. Moving average is crossing at the same time. See, the EMA 10 is crossing the EMA 50. That you can see ADS is asking you to buy, a moving average is asking you to buy also. So that is how I actually want you to use it. When both of them are saying the same thing, that what we mean by confluence. When you have multiple parameters that are pointing in the same direction, that's what we call confluence in trading forex. So you can see here now the green is crossing the level 22 with the black line is asking me to buy, and up here now I'm seeing the EMA 10 is crossing the blue from down up, is asking me to buy here, is asking me to buy here. So if I've taken my buy, I'll be earning some pips, I'll be making profits. You can see now the same thing is happening. The green line is asking me to buy here. As you can see, the green line is crossing level 22 with the black line from down up. Here is asking me to buy, and here is also asking me to buy at the same time. You can see the red line just crossed the blue line from down up, and then I'm supposed to be buying here, and this one is also asking me to buy. So when you see both of them saying the same thing, you can buy Ferrari with it. I'm telling you. This is double indicator telling you the same thing. Look at it now. Look at it here. Look at it here. The green line is crossing level 22 with the black line. This is asking me to buy. This is asking me to buy. On top of the screen, you are seeing buy here. You can imagine you're going to make stupendous profits from here, depending on your lot size. So this is what I wanted to again. You can see it here again. The green is crossing level 22 with the black line from down up here, and then from down up here. But you can also, so if you look at it keenly, you also see something like that here again. Something like that. Somewhere is already crossing level 22 with the black line from down up is asking me to buy. And when I look at my screen also, I'm seeing that EMA 10 is crossing EMA 50 from down up is also asking me to buy, asking me to buy at the same time, So if I were you, I would only take trade when both of them are saying the same thing. This one is asking me to buy. I'm already buying from here. You can see. I told you I'm giving you a cheat because from now, after this class now, I'm not talking about any indicator again. We'll go proper to price action when you will not need indicator. You are busy schedule. You don't want to bother yourself with candlestick, all the reversal candlesticks, support and resistance, and trend line, All you can do is just, moving average and put your ADX and see when both of them will be saying the same thing. You can see now, see the green line crossing level 22 from down up with the black line is when this moving average is crossing the red is crossing the blue from that home. I'm supposed to be buying here. See, so it's amazing. It's amazing. If you can just sit down and trade like this, look at this beautiful one. Look at this beautiful one. So the green line, okay, the red line is crossing level 22 with the black line from down up. It's asking me to sell. Look at it, exactly the same time up here is when both red sell. Massive move to the downside. Here right now. See the green line has crossed, then you wait for the black line to cross. Black line is crossing here now. So asking me to buy, and then just a moment later, this guy is crossing from down up. You can see if you take it farther, everywhere, anywhere, you will see how these indicators can be. This is not how I trade now, but this is how I started to trade long ago. And when I was using this kind of system, I was still making consistent profit. It's just that it requires you to stay focused. Stay focused, pay attention, choose your time frame. Whichever time frame you choose, just stick to it. Okay. Level 22 from down on black line is crossing alongside, and then at the same time on the top here you can see that the line, which is EMA 10, has crossed the blue line from down up, is indicating that I should buy. I buy again. Price move to the upside massively, massively. So all you do is like what we taught you yesterday. Just put your stop loss to the previous swing, and then is either you wait for the cross back of the moving average, or you trade your stop loss per swing. Okay, pursuing. So that is that. That is that about that. That is that about that. Okay, so you can see the same thing here. You can see the same thing. It works on any instrument. Okay, it works on any. So the red line has crossed the blue line. Sorry, I mean here now. You can see here now. The green has crossed level 22 with the black line from down up. Don't forget from down up, not up down. It is from down up, from below to the upside. It must first of all go lower and come up, go lower and come up. You can see now it's asking me to buy here. At the same time, the moving average is crossing up here. Okay, moving average is crossing up there. You can see here it's asking me the green line has crossed level 22, with the black line. So I wait for the black line to cross here, cross here like this, and then that is the exact time this blue line really are crossing level, moving average 200 from up there. And I told you it's always a massive sell. You see, so that's how these indicators function. I've taught you two indicators now. I want you to use both of them together. It will reduce your error, reduce your losses, maximize your profit. Then you can smile at your bank account. Okay, so but after, I may still record this video again, especially for those if it's not clear. If it's very clear, there will not be a need again. But then after this class, or after the next video I'll be recording for you, we'll go proper to price action, and I promise you, you will love it. You will love it. That's when you now begin to trade like a professional. When you begin to trade like that, you can, you can literally approach anybody and say, I can trade, for a bank, I can trade for, corporation, I can trade for institution, and you can be a professional forex trader. Okay. Okay, so that's what we're going to be going to next. We're going to go into proper price action, but I've already given you this cheat. Don't forget, very much better when the market is trending. When the market is trending, and when the market is ranging, it might not work. It's not for ranging market. So, but I told you that these are strategies to use to trade trending market. Then there's EMA. We've talked about EMA. We talked about ADX. The next thing we'll be talking about are other three things, other three ways of trading trending. The WhatsApp group, or you can drop it at the comment section. Okay.